Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can redeem your hunger station points. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your hunger station app. So once you tap it open, you need to now enable your location, and after you do this, tap on sign up or login option. After doing this, you need to now type in your registered mobile phone number of Saudi Arabia. After doing this, you need to hit the continue button and then follow the on-screen prompts. Once you do this, you will be redirected to the official homepage of Hunger Station. Once you're in this kind of interface, simply tap on the three dots option called More on the bottom right hand side of the corner and you will be redirected to this interface. Now here, all you need to do is simply tap on the referral code option. So once you tap on referral code, you can simply add your voucher code over there, or simply once you order your meal, you can find an option called promo codes. You can simply type in your voucher in the promo code section as well. After doing any of these choices, you can simply redeem your hunger station points. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.